We finally won the championship. Oops. Shoo, hooray. Ouch. Answer is hooray. Hooray expresses great joy or celebration. She finished the marathon in record time. Shoo, ouch. Oops. Bravo. Answer is bravo. Bravo praises an outstanding achievement or accomplishment. My elbow hit the corner of the table. Bravo. Hooray. Wow. Ouch. Answer is ouch. Ouch is the natural verbal reaction to sudden sharp pain. Please be quiet, the baby is sleeping. Wow. Oops. Shoo, bravo. Answer is shoo. Shoo is used to ask someone to be silent or quiet. I did not mean to break that vase. Hooray. Ouch. Oops. Shoo. Answer is oops. Oops expresses accidental wrongdoing or a careless error. I spilled juice all over my shirt. Shoo, hooray. Oops. Bravo. Answer is oops. Oops expresses regret over a careless mistake. I just burned my finger on the stove. Wow. Oops. Bravo. Ouch. Answer is ouch. Ouch expresses a reaction to sudden pain. We passed all our exams this semester. Shoo, bravo. Hooray. Oops. Answer is hooray. Hooray expresses collective joy and pride in an achievement. I replied to the wrong chat group again. Wow. Oops. Hooray. Shoo. Answer is oops. Oops expresses regret and embarrassment at making the same mistake. That bee just stung my hand. Hooray. Bravo. Ouch. Wow. Answer is ouch. Ouch expresses sudden physical pain. That roller coaster ride was absolutely thrilling. Shoo, bravo. Wow. Ouch. Answer is wow. Wow expresses thrilling excitement and amazement at an experience. The choir sang in perfect harmony tonight. Bravo. Oops. Ouch. Wow. Answer is bravo. Bravo is used to cheer and appreciate a wonderful group performance. The conductor is about to begin, no talking. Shoo, oops. Ouch. Hooray. Answer is shoo. Shoo requests immediate silence before an important event. It is our last day of school today. Ouch. Oops. Shoo, hooray. Answer is hooray. Hooray expresses excitement and happiness about a special occasion. The guests are arriving, stop making noise. Bravo. Hooray. Oops. Shoo. Answer is shoo. Shoo is used to quickly quieten people before guests arrive. She sang every note perfectly. Bravo. Oops. Hooray. Ouch. Answer is bravo. Bravo is used to praise an outstanding performance. Keep your voice down in the library. Shoo, hooray. Oops. Bravo. Answer is shoo. Shoo is used to remind someone to be quiet in a calm place. I accidentally replied to everyone in the email. Ouch. Oops. Hooray. Wow. Answer is oops. Oops expresses horror or regret at an embarrassing mistake. I have never seen a waterfall this massive. Ouch. Oops. Wow. Shoo. Answer is wow. Wow expresses awe at something magnificent and overwhelming. The magician made the rabbit disappear. Shoo, wow. Ouch. Oops. Answer is wow. Wow shows amazement or wonder at something magical. I never expected to see you here. Hooray. Shoo, wow. Ouch. Answer is wow. Wow expresses surprise or disbelief at something unexpected. I bit my tongue while eating. Ouch. Wow. Oops. Bravo. Answer is ouch. Ouch is the immediate response to biting or hurting oneself. My little sister just said her first word. Ouch. Bravo. Hooray. Shoo. Answer is hooray. Hooray expresses joy and pride at a special moment or milestone. We are going to Disneyland tomorrow. Ouch. Oops. Hooray. Bravo. Answer is hooray. Hooray expresses overwhelming happiness and excitement. I stepped on a sharp stone with bare feet. Ouch. Bravo. Wow. Oops. Answer is ouch. Ouch is the natural reaction to sudden unexpected pain. That performance was absolutely wonderful. Ouch. Bravo. Oops. Shoo. Answer is bravo. Bravo expresses praise or appreciation for a great performance. School is cancelled tomorrow. Ouch. Hooray. Bravo. Shoo. Answer is hooray. Hooray expresses excitement and happiness about good news. The acrobat flipped through the air so smoothly. Wow. Shoo, ouch. Hooray. Answer is wow. Wow expresses shock and admiration at an impressive feat. I stubbed my toe on the edge of the bed. Ouch. Shoo, bravo. Wow. Answer is ouch. Ouch is used when someone accidentally hurts themselves. Everyone quiet down, the lecture is starting. Bravo. Hooray. Shoo, ouch. Answer is shoo. Shoo is used to bring a noisy group to silence quickly. Someone is trying to sleep next door. Bravo. Hooray. Ouch. Shoo. Answer is shoo. Shoo is used to ask for quiet out of consideration for others. Our flight has been delayed again. Bravo. Shoo, hooray. Oops. Answer is oops. Oops can also express frustration at an unwanted situation. I used salt instead of sugar in the cake. Shoo, bravo. Hooray. Oops. Answer is oops. Oops expresses a blunder or mix-up that has gone wrong. That sunset is the most beautiful I have ever seen. Hooray. Bravo. Wow. Ouch. Answer is wow. Wow expresses deep admiration for something breathtakingly beautiful. The movie is starting, stop talking. Hooray. Wow. Shoo, ouch. Answer is shoo. Shoo is used to silence someone at an important moment. I passed my driving test on the first try. Hooray. Oops. Ouch. Shoo. Answer is hooray. Hooray expresses great pride and happiness at passing an important test. Look at how tall that building is. Wow. Oops. Hooray. Ouch. Answer is wow. Wow expresses astonishment at something grand or impressive. My team scored the winning goal. Ouch. Hooray. Oops. Shoo. Answer is hooray. Hooray expresses great excitement and celebration. I just knocked over the entire display. Oops. Hooray. Shoo, wow. Answer is oops. Oops expresses surprise and regret at causing an accident. The fireworks are so colorful tonight. Oops. Shoo, wow. Ouch. Answer is wow. Wow expresses delight and admiration at something spectacular. The young dancer performed with such grace. Ouch. Hooray. Bravo. Oops. Answer is bravo. Bravo expresses admiration for a skillful and graceful performance. I sent the message to the wrong person. Wow. Shoo, oops. Hooray. Answer is oops. Oops expresses embarrassment or regret over a silly mistake. The exam is in the next room, be silent. Oops. Wow. Ouch. Shoo. Answer is shoo. She demands silence in a place that requires concentration. I forgot to bring my homework today. Bravo. Oops. Wow. Hooray. Answer is oops. Oops expresses a mistake or a small accident. I dropped all my books on the floor. Bravo. Hooray. Shoo, oops. Answer is oops. Oops is used when something goes wrong accidentally. The young actor delivered a flawless performance. Oops. Hooray. Wow. Bravo. Answer is bravo. Bravo is shouted to acknowledge an excellent theatrical performance. What a beautiful painting this is. Ouch. Hooray. Wow. Oh. Answer is wow. Wow expresses amazement or admiration at something impressive. The surprise party worked perfectly. Wow. Hooray. Ouch. Shoo. Answer is hooray. Hooray expresses joy and relief when something goes well. The pianist played with incredible skill. Bravo. Wow. Shoo, oops. Answer is bravo. Bravo is shouted to praise an exceptionally skilled performance. The athlete broke the world record today. Oops. Shoo, ouch. Wow. Answer is wow. Wow expresses amazement at a record-breaking achievement.